Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hello guys. In the previous example, we have learned how we can use the base adapter for list view to add the custom layout, and we have designed this particular application with custom layout. But there is one problem here in this program. The problem is that if you go to the adapter and you see that what the warning is coming, saying that you have to superset annotation of view holder, because in later version like after API 21 API 29 and 30, we are just using a view holder like we use in recycler view. We have a separate class of view holder, but in base adapter we do not have a separate class of view holder. So if I create those classes manually and I just behave like a view holder with using that class, then this warning will goes and my code will optimize, and it will optimize according to the new API 30, 31 or 29. So how we can make a optimization by using a view holder, that we will learn in this video, because application is working, no problem in application, everything is going okay, but we have to convert this application according to the latest APIs by using view holders. So here what I am doing, just first of all I am converting this into val because these are constant, so no problem to convert into val. Now I will create a class here, class called view holder, and I am passing the view in this class like this, like this way. And what is the view? View is this one. This view I am passing here. I am giving here name view. I can give the name it view also, just to improve, just to remove the confusion. Now I have to initialize my variables here. These variables, this code I have to cut from here and I have to initialize here. You see the view is come, and here I have to use the not null symbol like this way. So val image and item has been created inside the view holder class. One part has been done. Now second part, I will search, first of all I will search if view equal to null. If view is null, then we have to design a layout. We have to create object of layout. Else, if it is not null, then we will use the same which has been created earlier. So now these changes I have to make. For that, first of all I have to create the object of uh, your view holder class. So where view holder, like this way. One more object I will use for view, I say row view, that would be the view, this way. Now this would be the row view, okay, because this view is this one. So I created the row view, and here just I remove this here. Now I will create the object of view holder class. I am passing here row view because this is required a view. So this row I am passing here. Now I am initializing the row view that your view holder is this one. This is the view holder. This view holder is tagged with the this view because this is the view we are passing here. We are checking. If it is not null, means layout is already connected, layout is already linked. Then what we have to do? We have to initialize the row with the view. First of all, this view have to pass here because it's already initialized. Second, we have to use the view holder object, and that object will come from the row view dot tag as view holder. This one. Okay. So we have converted. If it is null, then create layout, inflate the layout, and create a view holder and pass the holder to the view. If it is already in slice, then whatever the object in slice in row view and link with the view holder. And here we have the view holder because view holder is the class which having these object. View holder is a class which having your object. So here I am just passing view holder. Done. Initialization has been done, and in place of view I will pass the row view. Row view, and here I have to slice this way. You see, done here, and it is saying it should be val, so we can convert into val also, no problem. Just a constant. Okay. So you see, warning has gone. We have converted the base adapter with view holder, so we do not have any warning now. If I run this code this time, it will run the same way as it was running in the last example, but this is the new modern way according to the requirement of the new APIs without any warning. Now same concept is coming here, no problem at all, but it is fast and improved version of base adapter using view holder class. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.